Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2017 Lexus Gx460 and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on this vehicle. First thing we're going to have to do is switch the ignition over to the on position, which is achieved by hitting this button twice. Once you get everything to light up, you're going to need this odometer trip button. Make sure you're on trip A. Trip A is the only way it will work. Then you're going to switch your ignition back off. With your left hand, you're going to push this odometer and trip button and hold it down. And with your other hand, you're going to hit this engine start button twice until you reach the on position. And there you go, resetting maintenance data. You have successfully reset the oil maintenance light on this display. If you have another style, which let me show you right quick. We have the one that comes out on this display. Let me switch the ignition over to the on position so we can see this. Okay. Press home. Okay, continue. Okay, boom. If you have one set up here, here's how you do it. You're going to need this setup button. You push setup. You scroll. Oh, push the wrong button there. You're going to scroll until you reach vehicle, maintenance, and there's all your other service displays that could be displayed on this screen. You just reset them as you need. You click on them, edit them. This car has them off, so we don't have to worry about it. If you have found this video useful, please make sure to like this video and also to subscribe to my channel, Manny's Automotive. Thank you for watching and have a great day.